Next! Welcome to the Yokai Tournament Qualifier. Name and Yokai type, please.
Kiri. Kiri the Kamaitachi.
Alright, Kiri. Go ahead and attack the wooden dummy to prove your fighting proficiency.
With pleasure! Piece of cake.
Congrats, you pass. Next! Oh, great. Look who it is.
Hey, Mari! What's wrong? Aren't you glad that Donpa the Hitotsume, strongest fighter in town, is back to qualify for another year?
Back to wipe out the rookies for another year, you mean?
Oh, come on, Mari. Can't I skip this? You know I'm gonna qualify again.
No.
Ah, fine. Let me show you guys how the next Yokai Tournament champion does this.
Whatever.
Okay, folks. Time for my Hitotsu Punch! How's that? Qualified enough for ya?
Yeah, congrats, you qualified. Looks like that's it for this district. Donpa always wins the qualifier for this place. Unless there's anyone who can beat that.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
I'm here to register for the Yokai Tournament Qualifier. Hope I'm not too late. You okay, Sachi?
Am I okay? Jeez, Ron, you couldn't slow down for 1 second? My head can only float so fast, you know?
Sorry, Sachi. I got a little too excited.
It's gonna take my body forever to catch up. But it's cool. I know it's your big day.
Yeah, it is! It's always been my dream to participate in the Yokai Tournament. Ooh, I'm so excited!
I appreciate the enthusiasm, but what kind of yokai are you? No offense, but you don't really look like one.
Wait, really? How do I not...
Ron, your neck.
Oh, oops. My bad. Phew, much better. Okay, now that my neck's stretched out, my name is Ron Rokuro, Rokurokubi fighter of the Hanekawa District.
A Rokurokubi?
Yeah, you know, the long neck yokai. And this is my best friend, Sachi.
Not fighting, just supporting.
A Rokurokubi?
A Rokurokubi.
What's so funny?
Maybe they heard a good joke?
I highly doubt that, Ron.
Oh, I heard a good joke, all right. A Rokurokubi wants to enter the Yokai Tournament.
What's she gonna do? Stretch at me?
What's their problem?
If I had my legs right now, I'd kick their faces in.
Well, we've just never had a Rokurokubi enter the tournament before. Not many of you guys seem like fighters.
Yeah, I know. That's why I want to be the first one.
Did you hear that, Kiri? That's why I want to be the first one! First one to lose, maybe! What can a rubbernecked wannabe like her do? I bet she's not even a real fighter!
I am a real fighter!
Really? Then when was your last match?
Actually, I've never had an official match before.
Oh, have you ever fought another yokai before then?
Of course I fought other yokai before! Really strong ones, too!
Oh yeah? Which ones?
Which ones?
Yeah, which ones?
Which ones? Okay, but, well, I've sparred with my sensei tons of times! And also my older sister.
No way. Don't tell me. You're a complete rookie?
Hey! Don't make fun of my friend! Ron may not have been in an actual match before, but she'd have no problem taking on a jerkface like you.
Yeah, right. I'd never lose to a novice.
Wanna bet?
Sachi, what are you doing?
One match. I bet 25 gin that Ron can win against you.
Sachi, what are you doing?
Ooh, you just gonna take that dumper?
Why not make it interesting and put down a real bet? How about 50, Keen Loudmouth?
How about 100, meathead?
100? Geen? Sachi, maybe we should talk about this.
You're on. There's a ring right here. Hey, Mari, wanna ref our match?
Me? Ref? I'd love to, sure, why not?
Sachi, what are you thinking?
What? Guy is a jerk. Besides, I've seen you fight. You can totally take this bozo.
You really think so?
I know so. You think I'd bet 100 gin on a girl I think would lose?
True.
Now go out there and get him, you noodle-neck dork!
Ain't that cute? Now that your pep talk is over, are we gonna start or what? Unless you're too chicken.
Coming through! Ha! Let's do this! Ron the Rokurokubi Part 1. A new challenger approaches.